Mastering slang. The meaning of looking swank. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the stylish world of slang with the phrase, looking swank. If you're eager to spice up your English with some trendy expressions, you're in the right place. To be looking swank is to look stylishly luxurious or fashionably elegant. It's a compliment that suggests someone is dressed in a very chic and sophisticated manner. Imagine someone walking into a room and their appearance is so impressively smart that they turn heads. That's looking swank. The term swank has its roots in the late 19th century. It started as a slang expression and gradually became a part of everyday English. Initially, it referred to a showy or swaggering performance, but over time, it evolved to refer to elegance and high-class style in appearance. Let's put our phrase to use. If you see a friend dressed up for a gala or a fancy dinner, you might say, "Wow, you're looking swank tonight." Or, after shopping for some classy attire, you could boast, "I'm going to look swank at the event next week." Swank can also be used as a noun and an adjective. As a noun, it refers to ostentatious or luxurious living or surroundings. As an adjective, it describes a person or thing that is fashionably elegant or sophisticated. And that wraps up our stylish journey for today. I hope you feel confident in using looking swank in your next English conversation. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural nuances that make it so vibrant. Keep practicing, and you'll be looking swank with your English skills in no time.